So, hindi na masakit yung aking paa. Masakit pa konti eh. Pero hindi na katulad kahapon na masakit kagabi. So, okay na yan. Kaya nagganyan ako. Nag-sneakers talaga ako.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way.
Ohayo! Good morning! Punta kami sa Ihana ngayon. Stage play. So, maaga lumabas. Ano ba oras na? Ipudo. Hana-chan, kids meal da yun eh. Kain kami ng ramen, ipudo, ito sa Westgate. Gym po, Westgate. Westgate tsaka gym yan, malapit lang sa gym. So, long time na ako nakakain ng Japanese ramen. At makainit ko kain yun. Kakatapos ng happy tayo ni Hana, so lunch time. Yung lunch time na lang. 12:30 na pala. 12:30 na yun. Parang, hoとんどシンガポリアンじゃない。Thank you. すごいな。見せて。おにぎりだって。ちっちゃ。
おにぎり食べたら
はなちゃんできるよね。作れるよね。
ポテトサラダ
作れるよ。
食べれたこの手に入れたってあれや
何それ何はい、持っててよ。はい。いいよ。いいね。リゴは持ってるね。Relax, init. So, bibilhan ka lang. Hindi na ako nag-aas. But thanks God. It's a bless.
本当に大事だからこれ
はい。
ポストフローゲン紫
開けるはい、いいよ、はい。
でしまった方がいいよ先に
はい、いいよ。ちょっと待って
ロックに。入れるのが箱に
今、ビデオしてる。はなちゃん開けるって。She wanted to open it by herself. So, please open it. あら。あらららららららら。あららららららららら。はい、いいよ。はい。ごめんなさい。ちょっと待って。Please open it. Come here. Mama no. You can open, right? はい。ちゃんちゃららん。Unboxing. She's unboxing her own. What is this? Disney Frozen. Unboxing Disney Frozen 2. いける？大丈夫？ Can you do it by yourself? Okay, letやったー。はい、どうかな。what is that? これすごいね。これ何？OK。はなちゃん、これすごいじゃん。ね。結構すごい。それ船だよ。That is ship one. What is that? そうそうそう。なんだっけ。パラスだよ、作る。はい。You will make palace, right? Wow, too many. This is too many. And then, we bought this one like, I think it's... Wow, also I think we bought this one like, how much? $104.90. And then, merong free. Ito. This one free daw. As they gave this one for free. Because I asked if they have new stock, but they said this the last stock, the display one. So I was surprised when they give present. This is a free not a present, this a free one, free. So this one guys, so ayan na. Disney Frozen 2. No, iba siya no, yung ano dati. Ibang iba siya. Hindi pa kami nagtingin nito. So on Monday we are gonna watch new Frozen movie. You wanna play now? Anja. Okay, you will play. Then say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. Arigato. Matanete. Busy na siya, guys. So, ayan na. Ang cute niya, no? Grabe. Ang book nito. Ayan. Ito yung, yung gagayahin niya dito. So, leta bo na to. Disuro ka na. Ne? Okay. You play now. Ka-excited na ka siya, guys. So excited! Unbox din ako, guys. Mag-unbox ako. Unboxing. Unboxing na. Bukas na. Binuksan na to sa doon sa binilhan namin. So, ka-check lang yun. Yung bag niya. Free bag. At saka may free antivirus to eh. And then, tadaan. Ano kaya binili ko? Ano kaya to? Tadaan! Ayan. Ayan na ang aking unbox. Let's go. Tadaan. Daiju bukan na. Mako, tanggal kaya to. Wala na. Dyan. Cute ng kulay niya. Gray. Yung niya, yung brand is HP laptop. This one 8th generation Ethernet core. So processor 1.6, 512 gig, 8 gigs. So them DDR SDRAM. Windows 10 to siya, guys. Then 14-inch. Meron Bluetooth, WLAN, Radeon. Then graphics. Yun. Yan na, guys. Ang cute nito, as in. This one is ayan, Core i5 8th generation. Kita yung ko dyan. So hindi ko na yun bubuksan, guys. Ayan lang. So yung kami dalawa nag-unbox. Yan. Unbox din yan siya eh. Busy sa unboxing. Guys. Kami dalawa sa pag-unbox. Ako nag-unbox sa laptop and then siya sa dalaroan niya.
Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. We're waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a song.